woza soccer beat yethu Talking Chiefs noTshepo Masilela owayedlala iChiefs. Kaloku lapho Tshepo ucela ni subscribe nijoin nikhulise le family yethu ka-soccer beat yethu anyuka amanani yethu. Tshepo ufikile coach Fernando Cruz. Uthi uyayazi coach i-club. Masibukele le video yakhe.
As you can see, the energy seemed very good today.
I am excited to get started with us. Okay, just I want to tell you, I understand this club stands for its story, its potential future, and I think we need to create the new ambition for the future. It's big club, it's strong club in Africa, and we want to win. Good attitude, good mentality, to work hard, day by day, step by step. Okay?
Hello, Mesha.
How are you? Savona is hello in Zulu.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Tshephana umvile uthi uyayazi club. I know Chiefs. But ke azange wazala lapha eSouth Africa lo muntu. Zange wacoach apha eSouth Africa for athi uyayazi Chiefs. Do you think uyayazi? Nyani. Mtshephana uba le nto asifake kuye.
No, when I'm Java, I think uyayazi. If you remember correctly, I stand to be corrected also. Before joining Nabi, bekaphathi yale group yaka Nabi and the whole crew, and mangikhumbula kakuhle uye wabekathatha i-pre-season camp. I think bebase-Turkey before Nabi had to finish his season yakhe. I think it was in Morocco, right? He had to finish. I think he had a cup final. No, I think Nabi still had a cup final. With his previous team. So Fernando Bega in charge good pre-season. I think for a week or 10 days, if it's not more than that, I'm not sure. But I think he knows what he's getting himself into, and we understand that the Chiefs, how big the team is. First you need to understand how big, and number two, you also understand the expectations. Because it's one thing to, the expectations, because some teams, the expectations are high, like Agdalo Apa. So I think it is one coach who understand that. And besides, in today's football, you can follow or do your research and get more of an understanding of how big Kaizer Chiefs is. And I'm pretty much sure Guti understands and he knows the team and is looking forward to the challenge.
Hayi ngamxelela fast i-algorithm ka-Google mfonini. Google nje ka uthi Kaizer Chiefs akuxelela i-algorithm ba. But Tshephana xa isithi ke ngoku he wants to create a new ambition for the future. A new ambition Tshephana, new ambition for Kaizer Chiefs. Kanixelela uzama uthini ke xa isithi new ambition.
New ambition, I'm not too sure what's the new ambition, but ungayibheka in both ways. He's a coach owaziyo with the previous guys bayishiye kuphi, and what did the previous coaches achieve. So he's a coach obhekayo ukuthi, and again when you walk into a team, you want to give your players confidence. You don't want to ufika nje ukuthi guys sizolwela number 3 up. No, that's not how coaches that big teams operate, Mawufika in a big team, you want to give the players confidence. Good guys, we can do it. Be it this new ambition, maybe it's finishing number 2, maybe win a trophy again, and we don't really know what this new ambition is. But and then you look at it, Chiefs doesn't won the league in a long time. And I'm not saying Guti, the coach, can come today and win it, but also it's possible. We've seen Coach Wadu came to Pirates his first season, even though he had the benefit or ukuthi beka-coach kuma-Roma, he's been in South Africa for a couple of months before he switched to Pirates. But we've seen those things happen in football, Coach Jose Riveiro joined Pirates, they won a double. So new ambition could be Uchi is looking at we can surprise a lot of people in South Africa. So akafuna ukuthi ama-player they must not have confidence in him. Vice versa, now you want to have, a buy-in from the players. Because how you coach, you want the buy-in from the players. That's the only way they need to buy in your philosophy, and that's how they can work going forward. So you don't walk in a room in a big team and say, guys, I'm hoping good so Puma number 5. No. You give them the confidence, good guys, I trust you. And then nabo melebak trust.
Kuthiwa inkabi ibuzwa kwabaphambili. Tshephana indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili kwabayihambileyo. If the coach ufonela wena ke ngoku as one of the legends, kuthiwe coach, here is a list of legends. Choose here. I choose athi 0800 Masilela. Kankalele man. At Kankalele, my legend, man. If you guys could give me some targets, realistically, Niti, this is what you expect me to do. Ungatini kuyi coach when I get from your side as a Chiefs legend.
I still believe Gucci a trophy or two, it's possible. Like, listen, the good season left, Bakala Babu top 8. So you have a trophy to fight for. MTN 8, and then MTN 8, you still have the Carling Black Label. Carling Black Label, you still have the Nedbank Cup, and I'm not going to say the previous coaches, Coach Ben Youssef and Coach Kazi, they did a fantastic job, to close in the gap. So from Gule position with that point tally, where are you taking us? We need to move when get closer to Pirates and Sundowns, so I can say a trophy, and when you look at the numbers and the points tallies our previous season, Kuti, okay, can we move it, a bit higher so we get closer to Pirates and Sundowns.
So even if you come third, maybe if you are 1 point behind, was I accept and allow?
With a trophy also, I would accept
with the trophy. With the trophy.
Yeah, you've got 3. You've got 3 cup competitions plus the league. 2. And if I'm not mistaken, they qualified for a Confederations Cup or CAF. Yeah, so it's another opportunity. So you've got you've got too many opportunities, and if you can squeeze in 1 or 2, during the season, 1 or 2 trophies, and I think we'll be happy. Amakhosi abajabulile.
Nizwele nani ke nakutsapho uthi angabuya vuya yena at least a trophy and being closer nje kwi Sundowns and Pirates in the first season. Tshephana, zonke izinto besenzeka, it's been business as usual. I-players signiwe. A big one, of course, Thabo Moleisane, who's expected to be a key player. A key player enjeko ilisano before coach announced Tshephana. Ithetha ukuthini ke londo? Coach uyayazi le player isaniweyo, uyazazi noba uyayidinga wena Tshephana okanye udecide.
I think they were working hand in hand with the coach.
Uzawuthi yazela ke ngule player.
You've got teams like Kaizer Chiefs, the team enkulu there. You've got the scouting department. But they can send footages or clips to the coach. The coach gets to see what type of a player we're signing here. And again, I'm pretty much sure Guti, when you get that call, Guti would like to have you as our head coach next season. You collect as much information, Guma player that are there, Kaizer Chiefs currently. You watch a lot of games. It's not like these cards are like I'm sure he's watched maybe it's 10 or 15 yama game what the past season. So it's pretty much clued up with the squad and so where he needs to beef up, and I'm sure with the communicator with be it the scouting department or the technical director, or I'm pretty Nayombonile the player. Maybe it's not a 100% coach's decision, but it could be a 80, maybe a team 20 other coach, you know. But I'm sure Uti is aware of the player. He knows what type of a player Leba is signing, and he's also aware of the squad that is got currently right now.
Ixesha ke ngokumthithepana liqhathwe yinja mfundini njengoba nathi sawubhabhayisa ngokuqhathwe yinja ixesha alikho tata. Funeke decidile ngubani i-first 11 yakhe, ngubani i-squad sakhe, ngubani i-backup, ngubani i-rotation, ngubani number 1 goalkeeper, ngubani u-captain, mhlawumbi even ngubani u-captain. Mthepana yayazi ingxaki kakhulu i-leadership kwi-Chiefs. Kuzobuya no-Dotli mfundini from i-injury yayiqonda. Kuzothiwani ke ngoku from apha Mthepana, unikwa ixesha engakanani apho sinothi okay ke cruise ngemeba ngoku uyayazi uba ngubani i-boss yakho, ngubani i-key players yakho, ngubani i-rotation.
You know, the nice thing about do crew, we go to announce it before they start preseason. So for me personally, as someone who is to play professional, preseason gives you an opportunity. Because sometimes preseason you go away on camp, Neamba for like 14 days, 2 weeks, right? And you get to see a player work like every day. Umabona every day for the next 14 days. So that's why you can, there's players who see, okay, and maybe he's a squad player. Maybe I'll need him. Maybe he helps with the in the change room, you know, to keep things calm. And certain roles are different in today's football. So I'm just happy to announce and arrive meaning they can still go for a preseason camp wherever they go, be it local or international. And then Mababuya, he can make decisions, you know, who's the captain, who's Ubaneng needed team in Yami. I need to beef up in this position. You understand? So I think Ucho in the right time to get to know like the squad better. You know, it's not like previously Maga when he joined, he was never given the role of head coach or to manage the team. So now roles have changed. He's the head coach. He manages the team. So he makes the big decisions, you know, and to be fair, I will need time, you know, to see players' behavior, you know, in camp or Mabanga, you know, the disappointment if we're playing friendlies, I didn't use this guy, how does he react, and all those things, you know. And I'm just happy Ufi early enough to understand the zonke lento lezo before he makes a decision, because it's one thing to make a decision on just the talent, but you don't know, you know, the person, because footballers are also human beings, you know. So it's very much important to understand the human being side of a player now, because it's not like Zopila now for 1 month. Once you say I'm sticking with this guy, that guy, you know what the chances are, it's for the whole season or till the next window. You know, so I'm just happy to figure it, and he came with his guy, you know, with his team, goalkeeper coach, I think the assistant, and they still have Dylan Shepard there who coaching. So it's a good mixture, a good balance, you know. So
Good point. Nyansile yazi tata, uzotransition no kwabantu abane information for yena. Cha ke sometimes asazi mfundini ba nala information is subjective ngoba nayo une favorites la coach. Uthethelela amakha abantu mfondini athi hayi coach dlala lo khona anazi asazi noma assistant coach basidathe wrong kubona idatha mfondini kuthiwe ithini idatha yale flag hayi le adadlala kulungile makhosi amahle.
No, Tata, it can work to up to a certain point.
Yeah.
What if assistant uthe dlala lo yantshiza no coach ngokusho ukuthi wena uzokubhotha wena nale player yakho wena.
Hey Ntsamana hayi masibaxolele tate inkosi kakhulu man sinokole kamnandi namhlanje till another one Khosi Nation sizama ukukhulisa le platform Soccer Beat yethu amakhosi onke mawasondele nakuTshepo imibuzo kwi-comments okanye topics enifuna sinokole ngazo kwi-comments sikhona every week Tshepana sabulela mntakwethu.
Soccer Beat,